7:35 in the morning. It's 50 degrees. This is my albergue here, right there. I'm going to turn around so you can see Pamplona. My friend Francine was supposed to get a SIM card and find me on Facebook and friend me. Other than that, we had no way to reconnect. Four ladies walking behind me are from Australia, and they were wondering where to go. So I got my Pilgrim's app out, and I said, "Follow me." Purple, yellow, red. Can anyone tell me what country that is? I'm down here. A little bit of a late start for me, the latest in fact, but my body's just kind of tired. You know, I was afraid I was going to get sick, and I had this little post-nasal drip this morning. Anyone would tell you what a delicate flower I am. You know, I get a chill and I'm down for 14 days with a cold. Anyway, I hope I run into my little buddy Francine. Yeah. Anyway, I got a little bit of a sore throat coming on, but I remember getting sick the last Camino I did. And you know what? I just walked through it. Still making our way out of Pamplona, believe it or not. I almost passed by and didn't notice this magnificent tree. Oh my God. This is like the tree of life in that movie Pandora. It's just wrapping her arms around me. Look how beautiful. Forgot to put a buff on today. Can you believe that? And so I made a buff out of this. Last night I dreamt that I was standing in line at the grocery store and I was buying some bright orange fingernail polish. I just saw the two sisters from Denmark. You know, they were in Orson with me. They were with me 5 days ago. And you just keep running into it, people. That's why I know for sure I'm going to see Francine again. We're going uphill. It's uphill all day today. We've gone 10 kilometers and we've been walking 2 hours and 30 minutes. And just took my leg bottoms off so I can wear shorts. That's all right. ¿Qué chiama questo? Panini?
Panini, eso es.
Yeah, we're gonna have that for breakfast. Mm-hmm. Mothership of. Every pilgrim that I ran into going back the day I turned around on the trail on day 2, they all said, "You made the right decision." I told you I'd run into Francine, and there she is. Oh my God. Oh my God. Yeah, let me get my picture with it. Here's the statues. Let me show you. Look, I couldn't. Did you didn't send me a friend request on Facebook? Look.
Look at
I told you I'd run into her. There she is. 3.5 kilometers you can go to Uterga, and it's all downhill. And it's rocky, steep, fast terrain. Francine and I just connected on Facebook Messenger, so now we're not going to get separated again. Feet are doing okay on it. These are huge. We can barely get down them. Here she comes. Watch out.
Oh, it's crazy step.
Right?
Crazy. Be less.
Oui.
What's that too?
Oui, oui, oui.
Him in the garbage. It was not really pretty, believe me. But they are the disease. In case I need to send my bag, we have something.
Oui.
You have another one or is the last? You la last?
I'm the last.
Okay. We've been walking 5.5 hours. We're just outside of Uterga, which is right here down the path. Our feet aren't as sore as yesterday. How's your feet?
Great.
So we're gonna hit our albergue and get the clothes out on the laundry line because now's the time to do it. I told Francine there was water here, and she almost walked right by it. I told Francine that I was part Pawnee Indian. Hola. Okay. Gracias. I wonder why you left me